God.
ठीक है, तो ये लामा है। और ये कहाँ, कोई कुछ तो बोल रहा था कहाँ पर फेमस होता जाता है ये?
US.
ओके, यूएस। मैं भी मैंने तो कभी देखा नहीं इनको। आपने देखा है क्या?
मैंने भी नहीं देखा।
No sir, I don't think they are found in
मैं
India.
इधर तक sheep को भी नहीं देखा।
मैंने सिर्फ कैमल को देखा है और गोट को देखा है और शीप को देखा है।
मैंने sheep
Sir,
को
I
नहीं
have
देखा।
seen goat only. I have not
मैंने भी goat को ही देखा है।
Goat is very common. Goat
Yes.
is always wandering around on the
camel and sheep.
मैंने goat को
Sir, I
खाया
have
भी
seen
है।
a yak and I've ridden on yak.
अच्छा, इट्स वेरी डेंजरस ना? बट
No,
It's very dangerous.
it's not dangerous. It's fun.
Once when I was
I
in a
did it
zoo,
at Manali. Yeah, while coming back from Manali.
okay, great, good.
I wish I could also.
Yes, you were telling something.
once when I was at a zoo, it was in the US, so there was a llama there, and it was like you could feed the animals from the zoo, and like that llama, it's like it was very dirty. So when it was like you had to put your hand out, and then it would like eat it, and it was like disgusting.
Okay,
I'm used to that.
it's very
Because
Sir,
dirty.
always,
llamas are
I feed
mostly
Simba.
in Nebraska, Central US.
Simba is not too disgusting.
You could see that in
He's very
University of
disgusting.
Nebraska department.
Okay, Ishad, good. You have been there?
No, sir.
Okay, great. ठीक है, yes. Yeah. So good. I could not see this also. This also I have not seen. Silkworm.
Even me, sir, I have not seen. I never want to see it. It looks so gross.
I've seen it. In a video that a man was holding it in his hand.
If
Okay,
you put
let's move.
silkworms in water, then silk is formed. Hot water.
Yes.
Yes, and sir, I want to tell a fact.
बोलो.
Sir, if we put the silkworms in sun in hot sun, so they will dry up and die.
Correct. Where hot sun क्या?
They get
They live in
dehydrated.
very shady places. They are not
Yes.
used to all the sun.
Under the leaves.
Okay.
They will have to be in the hot sun.
Okay, read now.
Sir, llamas spit on their enemies. If someone troubles them, then llamas
Yes,
spit on
sir.
them.
Llamas spit on them.
Yes, in llama spit.
Okay.
Sir, can I read?
So you have troubled them क्या?
No, sir, but I know it.
I've seen in a cartoon. I've seen in
I've seen in lots of cartoons and stuff.
yes, Little Singham.
In my game also.
Sir,
Sir,
can I?
Sir, can I'm done. I will present.
Sir, can I read?
My chances.
Sir, can I read? I asked last time also, sir.
Sir, can I read?
Can I read, sir?
हाँ, पढ़ो.
Sir, who?
हाथ उठाओ पहले अभी.
Sir, मेरा तो chance हो गया.
Sir, I have already uthaud my hand.
No, put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Okay. 3. When I'll say 1, at that time you raise your hand. Okay. When I will say what?
1.
ठीक है. 3, 1. Okay, I could not trace only.
Sir, but I'm at the top. That means I did first, na?
No, I am not able to see
Sir,
it.
but
Sir, can
Sir,
you do
Ayan
it
is at
again?
the top. Sir,
No,
Ayan is at the top.
Here I am able to see someone else on your top.
Who?
Sir, who?
No, again you raised hand. Okay. नीचे करो. मैंने देखा ही नहीं वो.
Sir, please wait a second.
Ayan, you keep your hand raised only.
My screen is hanged.
Whoever raised his hand before 1, he is out of competition.
Swastikaya got out.
Ah,
3, 2, and out. These 2 are out.
Yeah. I don't wanted to answer.
These 3 are out.
I don't wanted to answer.
Okay. 3, 2, and 1.
I cannot do it. My screen is hanged. Sir, I will leave the meeting and join again.
Okay, okay. ठीक है.
Sir, I'm first.
हाँ ठीक है. पहले से हाथ उठा के रखा तुमने.
I'm not able to leave the meeting also.
Okay,
Then
no
don't
problem.
leave.
Read, someone read. Who raised the hand first now?
Sir, मैं. Sir, मैंने किया. Sir, actually ओमकार ने किया है.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, ओमकार पढ़ो.
ओमकार.
पढ़ो.
सर उसका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है.
ओमकार, तुम्हारा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
सर आई एम ऑडिबल.
ठीक है, पढ़ो. तुम कहाँ फिर से वो कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे क्या? ओमकार.
उसने उसकी आंखें ही बंद करके रखी है.
You are not audible. You are very. Your voice is very thin, बेटा. थोड़ा. ठीक है, पढ़ो. समझ में आ रहा है तुम बोल रहे हो तुम. नहीं, तुम्हारा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. तुम्हारा लैपटॉप में आवाज आता है, कंप्यूटर में आवाज नहीं आता है बेटा.
पर लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Laptop is portable. Computer has all that CPU and all that.
ठीक है. ओके.
Thank you.
तो वॉइस इज नॉट. अर्णव पढ़ो. ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Wool is obtained from the fleece hair of sheep, goat, camel, yak, llama, alpaca, and other animals. These animals have thick coat of hair on their bodies because the hair traps air, and air is a poor conductor of heat. So the hair keeps their body warm.
Okay, wait.
Now,
Can you explain what you understood from this?
yes, sir. Wool is obtained from the hairs of the sheep, goat, camel, yak, llama, like these animals.
Okay, नहीं, second paragraph you explain.
Yes, sir. These animals have a thick coat, means a thick layer of hair on their body.
Okay. आगे क्या?
They traps air.
नहीं, वो पढ़ा हुआ है, तुम पढ़ के बता रहे हो मुझे. समझा क्या तुमको? बताओ.
हल्के बोलो ना.
That समझा है.
नहीं. You understood my question now. What you understood, you tell that.
My ears hurt.
Anyone would like to explain? Okay.
Sir, can I try?
ठीक है.
Sir, मतलब
Wait. Okay, Anjali, you can tell.
On their bodies, they have a thick layer of hair, and since the hair is very thick, it will trap more air, and air is a bad conductor of heat. So since it's a bad conductor of heat, it will keep that hair will keep them hot and warm.
Okay, that means that air will not allow the, or because hair are very long, but it will, what is saying that they are very long, that's why they will trap the air, correct? And this is very poor conductor of heat, correct na? Okay, right. So how
Sir, can
that is,
I write this?
see, no, my question is that if it is poor conductor of heat, then how is their body warm then? That is my question. Understand my question na?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Now you are able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My question is that ki if it is a poor conductor of heat, then how the body is remaining warm? That is my question. Heat का poor conductor है कि नहीं वो? Air. Right. So how the body is getting warm?
सर क्योंकि एयर जा ही नहीं पा रही है ना उसके स्किन तक, उसके इतने वूल के वजह से.
Yeah, correct. Very good.
ठंडी हवा जा ही नहीं पा रही.
Yes, correct. Very good. All answers were correct. Okay, good. ठीक है अर्नव पढ़ो आगे.
Yes, sir. The most common wool is sheep wool. Yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. The wool obtained from Angora goats of Jammu Kashmir is soft wool used for making shawls. Camel hairs is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca found in South America also yield wool.
Yeah, correct. So basically they are used for warm clothes. Like the first was what, which one? This you are seeing is second one. Which was the first one you saw?
Sheep.
Not the animal, Baba. Second is wool, na? Second is wool, na? First one was
Yes, sir.
what?
Wool. Sorry. First
Animal
was
fibers.
silk.
अरे
हाँ,
animal
sorry.
fiber.
Animal fiber.
Animal fiber, yeah.
सर वो सिल्कवर्म के ककून को मेल्ट करते हैं ना, निकाल
किस
के.
लिए? वूल निकालने के लिए?
नहीं, सिल्क निकालने के लिए. सिल्कवर्म से, सिल्कवर्म जो ककून बनाता है
ओके.
उसे निकालते हैं और हॉट वाटर में डालते हैं ना उसे.
या
Yes, sir.
राइट, करेक्ट. हॉट वाटर इज यूज्ड. यस.
सर वो सिल्कवर्म के बाजू का ब्लैक क्या है उधर में?
Silkworm eggs, I think.
अरे वो बेरीज है. वो नॉर्मली बेरीज ब्लूबेरीज.
I think they are eggs of silkworm. I don't
अरे
think they
no.
are babies.
The eggs of silkworm are just like the beads.
ओके.
These are berries because silkworm are normally seen
In the
on
cranberries.
berries tree.
Yes, sir. We can continue.
Okay. So we'll just see one video.
Yay.
You know how it is made? Has anyone seen the process? How it is made?
सर मैंने देखा है.
Yes, sir.
किधर?
सर मैंने
Sir, on YouTube.
अरे मैंने देखा नहीं है, पर मेरे दादी ने मुझे बताया है कैसे बनाते हैं.
मैंने भी एक वीडियो देखा है उसका.
ओके.
बटरफ्लाई का बटरफ्लाई के इसका जैसा ही होता है तरह सा.
That I've seen in Darjeeling.
The silkworm turns into moth, na?
So Darjeeling, yeah.
Silkworm turns into moth?
Moth. I don't know.
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir. It does, sir.
No. Silkworm is like
Yes.
that only. No.
It turns into moth. Why does it make cocoon then if it stays like that? After the cocoon stage is done, then moth comes out.
Can be.
Search on Google and check.
Okay.
Just a minute. Huh?
After some time.
Search it now. It actually turns into moth.
I
Okay.
know it turns into moth.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Once one ant got into the nail of my sister and we cut.
Okay. This is visible?
See,
That
man,
looks so disgusting.
it looks like bird poop. Or dog poop.
More close look.
They eat that plant, na? Correct, huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hey, they're just walking on each other. They're sniffing.
You are understanding all, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Like it and fast.
That is silk, yeah?
I guess. Yes, sir, it's silk. It's silk. He's making it, sir.
Correct,
It's
huh?
silk.
Yeah.
It's silk.
Yes.
Silk.
Sir, I think it's the cocoon.
It is throwing like a Spider-Man.
I think it's a cocoon.
It's a cocoon. It's cocoon. Where it's transparent?
Translucent almost.
Yes.
No, it is okay.
I've seen a cocoon. Sir, what is that yellow pulpy thing?
Wait, I also don't know. Let's understand.
And here you can see why also the natural color.
Right. So
Eeks.
differentiates the difference between the
White, yellow,
white and yellow,
different word.
all different form. Okay, so then this one here is just mostly the yellow.
Yeah, all completely yellow.
Sir, why do they have strange markings across them?
Like cobra. I told
Sir, they are the silkworm cocoons.
that we boiled them.
Yeah, I
Then-
know. They put it in a giant container.
Yes.
What?
Sir, is there a mouse running in there? They look like eggs. Eee. Acha.
That is the silk.
That's silk.
Shit.
They are the eggs, I guess. No, they are cocoons.
So let me introduce you to the gentleman, Mr. Hassan. I'm sorry for my voice, and he will continue instead of me.
What is that blackish thing?
Thank you. Yok, daha buradayım.
First of all, welcome to our country. I will be your new guide. Okay. My name is Hassan. Can you hear something? It's a Kinder Surprise? But these are not Kinder Surprise. Silkworms still inside the cocoons. You will see the worm in my hand. Worms are dead, don't worry. You can see it here. Silk cocoons made by the silkworms. You can see some pictures hanging on the wall about the silkworms.
Sorry, it is paused. Sorry, you're mute. Is anybody there?
Yes.
We are all there.
Acha. I thought that my internet was bad.
If your internet was bad, then how can you see the video, na?
But the video is paused.
Sir has paused it.
Sir, you are mute, sir. Sir, are you there?
Sir, are you there? Hello, sir, are you there?
I don't think sir is there.
Sir is there in the meeting. I can see, sir.
In the meeting, but I don't think sir can hear us.
I think sir is AFK.
What are those men?
Mulberry leaf.
What?
This is the thread.
You are understanding or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we are understanding.
And these are the dead pupae inside the cocoon.
Eeks. So disgusting.
I think huge
These are
process,
the cards
process
for
huge,
the
na?
pattern
For
in
this.
the loom.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Can
have
you
to
please
make
repeat, sir? We cannot
Excuse the
hear
glare
you.
from the window there.
I told the process is very huge, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Silk is
It's
a
very-
very expensive thing.
It
And
takes
it is
11 minutes
and there is
cut.
big production of silk
Correct.
everywhere.
But
That's
it
why
takes
they
only-
brought rayon, which is duplicate of silk.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na?
Rayon.
Yes. Okay. Good, fine. So you understood, na, till here?
Yes.
Okay. He's asking what is the cocoon? Anyone knows?
Sir, can I tell?
He's
Sir, we
asking.
told her the answer in the
Sir, I
personal
sent
chat.
Me too.
Okay, no problem. So we'll continue this. Okay.
Continuing you. Yes, sir. Yes.
That is basically silky case spun by larvae of many insects for protection. Okay, let's continue. Why it's not playing? Is it visible to you?
yes, sir, but it is paused.
No, paused. I don't know how it got paused. Wait.
Sir, is there a disturbance from me?
Yes.
So the pattern is then transferred to the loom. And I'm going to go around the other side now. Nice, okay.
And then it dries like this.
Uh-huh.
So what was the basis of the
Sir, can I tell a fact?
Maybe it's a couple layers that are, like 10 layers.
Oh. And we're in the store.
Sir, in olden times, the workers used to eat the silkworm after work. Sir, the workers eat the silkworm.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the
So understood.
Sir, do you know that, sir, that the workers used to eat the silkworms after their work was done?
Oh, is it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Really?
I don't know if they eat it now, but olden times they used to eat it.
Where you heard?
Sir, I read a lot of books, but I remember I am I had read in a book this fact.
But they cannot digest it, no? How can they?
They can digest it, sir.
They can.
Sir, it's a popular food in
What?
China.
What is in China?
Silkworm is a popular food in China.
Okay, okay. ठीक है.
अरे don't scream, I got scared here.
Look at Anil's face.
Okay, fine. Now, so how many topics you covered now till now? Tell me.
3,
7.
3,
7.
Sir, 2.
3.
Okay, yeah, no 2 only then. No? That's why here 3 is written. Correct. That's 2 only we did, no? Till now.
In the whole Homi Baba?
No, no, no. In this topic.
Oh.
Hmm. Two correct, no? Last time we saw that wool. Now this third one we are going to. We are going on third one now. Yeah. Is entitled as from fibers to wool, correct? Okay. So any doubt till here now? Whatever we studied?
No.
No doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No.
Arnav, what should I repeat?
सर वो आप क्या कुछ तो बोले ना.
Sir, can you give us a break of 5 minutes?
Wait, let me on this. Arnav wants to say something.
सर आप बोले ना वो कुकिंग का वो एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं क्या?
कौन सा? मीनिंग ऑफ कुकुन क्या?
नो सर कुकुन का लास्ट सेंटेंस कुछ तो बोले ना.
Last sentence means where? See, it is. हाँ बोलो. बोलो ना. I am not understanding what you want to say. Hello. Arnav.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Tell ना Arnav.
Sir, can you give us a break?
अरे किसी को ब्रेक चाहिए, किसी को क्या चाहिए? Arnav, what is your doubt? ये पहले डाउट सोल्व.
Sir, I think so. He can't hear you. It'll check his bandwidth.
Arnav?
Sir,
Yes,
his
sir.
network is also.
What do you want to ask?
सर आप कुछ तो बोले ना कुकुन के अबाउट वो एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, it is that casing which is made na outside. The caterpillars which make the casing outside. And that is called as the cocoon or the silk.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
Break चाहिए या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
चाहिए, sir. चाहिए. Sir, till what time is the class?
7.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. You take 5 minutes to come back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you go on the previous slide?
Yeah.
Call? So.
Yes. So come back early.
Sir, a trimmer is used to. Sir, a trimmer is used to cut the hair of sheep, na?
Correct. Yes.
Like zero cut.
Yes.
But then they will feel very cold, na? Then.
Yeah, that's why you should not cut.
Yes. In our gully, not in our gully, but we can see a gully. There means people cut goat's hair, and the goat screams, "Bah bah bah," like that.
That causes pain, lot of pain now. So, okay. Yes.
Sometimes blood comes out of their
Mhm.
skin. because of
Yeah,
the
that's
pain.
why you should not do it.
Sir, but we have no other choice now. We have to do it.
Yeah, depends. Correct, depends. Okay. So you take one break or no? Break भी मांग रहे क्वेश्चन पूछ क्या चाहिए तुमको बताओ. हाँ अने ठीक है. You come back after 5 minutes. Okay.
Hello, is anybody there? Hello. Why are you laughing at?
Hello?
Hello.
Keep quiet.
Did you see the video that I sent to you on it?
Yes.
Funny है ना? ते जपान मध्ये दरवर्षी होतं.
Okay.
तू असा का शांत शांत वागतोयस?
What?
ओरडणार रोज ओरडतोस तसा. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
आवाज ऐकू येतोय का माझा?
नाही.
हॅलो.
ठीक है, हो गया तुम्हारा ब्रेक अभी? हेलो, anyone there?
Yes, sir. We are there.
Sir, and then
Okay, okay. So you can start. You can read now. Now you can read.
sir, can I read?
Okay, read. Atmaja can read. From fibers to wool. Read fast.
So just a second. From obtaining wool, sheep are reared and then their hair is cut and processed into wool. Rearing and breeding of sheep. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country, like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttara. What is this? Uttaran. Sir, it is
Uttaranchal.
Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. Sheep feed on grass and leaves. They are also fed with a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grains, and dry fodder. Some breeds of sheep have thick hair on their body, which yield good quality wool in large quantities. They are selectively bred to get sheep of good breed.
How much is done? Hello.
Sir, whole paragraph.
Why I could not hear you? Okay, okay. I think I did not hear. Yes. So now this is about the processing, right? Now, so this previous paragraph, it was about what? See, previous paragraph was for what?
Silk.
So previous paragraph, you see, it was for rearing. Correct, huh? It was for rearing. Correct. And now this next is what? Next is for the processing. Okay. So rearing part, you see what all they are doing. You know. So first part he told that okay, where all it's found in different parts of the country. Okay. Then now how they are reared. Correct. Some grass or some leaves they are given. Correct. And all those the recipe is given there. And then when winter season comes, they are not kept out. They are kept inside only and given some dry food. Okay. So because they have thick hair, then the result they have given. Now the processing. Now read the processing. How many steps it is done?
Six steps.
Yes. In 6 steps. First step, read. We'll discuss one by one, okay? Read. Okay. Ayan, you can read. Ayan.
Okay, sir. Processing fibers into wool. The processing of fibers into wool is done in 6 steps. The fleece, hair of the sheep, is removed from its body along with a thin layer of skin by using machines. This process is called shearing. The sheared skin with hair is washed in tanks.
Okay, wait. So the first process they are telling now. First it is removal. How it's removed? Using a what they are using? Correct.
Machine.
Yeah, and this process is called as
Trimmer.
Shearing.
Yes, correct. It's called as shearing, right?
Shearing.
Read ahead.
The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hairs of different textures are separated.
Second padho na.
Okay, sir. I will. The sheared skin with hair is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust, and dirt. This process is covering. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hairs of different textures are separated. This process is called sorting. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are separated from the hairs and again washed and dried. The fibers are then dyed in different colors. The fibers are then straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn. They are then spun and woven into fabric.
Right. So see now in second process, what is saying that they are after they remove it, what they are doing? They are washing in the tank. Correct. Why they are? Because there's a lot of dust, dirt, and grease is there. No? So to remove that, right? They will wash. And what is this process called? It's called as scouring. And
yes, sir.
Next what they do, they will send it to factory. Correct. Where what kind of separation is done there? Factory में कैसा separation हो रहा है?
Sir, the hair and the fur
The
is
different
separate.
hairs of different texture.
Hairs of different textures, right? They are separated. Correct. This called as sorting. मतलब सबका अलग अलग कलर रहता है ना, तो वो थोड़ा separate करना पड़ता है. And now fourth one is saying that small fluffy fibers, right? क्या हो रहा है इसमें? ठीक है. So apart from hair, whatever is there, whatever fiber is there, that is also removed and then washed. Correct. And then what is happening? These fibers are then dyed in different colors. So whichever color you want, that color you can get by dyeing. And then later they are sent to fabric. Correct. Straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn. Okay, like that. Okay, clear. Clear है क्या? Any doubt here in this?
No doubt, sir. Sir, actually, I have one doubt.
बोलो ना.
What is the purpose of a loom?
Which loom?
Sir, what is the purpose?
For what then?
Machine. Sir, it's a machine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I
It's a
don't know.
loom. I
You
know
are
loom.
asking about loom क्या?
Yes, sir. What does it exactly do?
It just holds
No.
holds the sheep or goat skin.
It will help to weave ना.
Okay.
कपड़े सीने के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे इसको. That's what is called a handloom and other things.
It's a loom.
Loom.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I got
Where
it.
you can actually weave the clothes. So then what it will wrap all the threads under tension, right? So that it helps to weave the different types of threads into a cloth. Okay, like that. Okay, next is what they are doing now. Actually, they are now cutting. Okay, like that. So this is the bottom part. What you are able to see?
Sheep shearing machines, cutter and comb.
Yes, correct. Very good. Right. So the actual how the shape of that is there. It is given there.
Sir, what is the use of the cutter?
To cut. It's cutting.
And
No?
what is the difference between sheep shearing machine and cutter?
No, that means you are seeing different sizes of that. इसका अलग size है, ऊपर वाले का अलग size है. Okay.
Okay. And comb is to comb is hair.
Correct, right.
Sir, they comb it and then they cut it, na?
Yes.
Just like they do with our hair. To make
Correct.
it easier to cut, they first comb it and then cut it.
Correct. Yes. Exactly. Okay. Now this is actually the dyed material. Correct, huh? Understood?
Sir, I'm having right now silk and wool.
अच्छा, with you क्या?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, just
Or someone joined
sir,
our
in our school there is a collection project for 5th and 6th standard. So luckily my group, my topic was threads. So I'm having all threads.
अच्छा, you purchase
Sir,
क्या?
this is wool.
Okay.
This is the silk.
अच्छा, very good.
Wool is thick and silk is thin.
Yes.
From like you purchased क्या all of them?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am having nylon also.
Nylon is something synthetic.
Yes.
It's a type of synthetic material only.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
This t-shirt is made of nylon.
Good. तो पिछला वाला आपने देखा कि नहीं? लिखा था पिछला वाला. हेलो.
Yes,
अरे मेरा
sir.
आवाज मेरे को आ रहा है. किसका? अपना ही आवाज मेरे को आ रहा है.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Can you hear us?
Yes, Baba, you can hear. I can
Sir,
hear.
can you hear?
अरे yes, Baba. किसका ऑडियो चल रहा है? मेरा ही आवाज मेरे को वापस आ रहा है.
आयन का ऑडियो चल रहा है और अनिरुद्ध का ऑडियो चल रहा है
और अनय का भी ऑडियो चल रहा है।
हाँ, मेरा भी।
तुमको उसलिए बैठा है किसका क्या चल रहा है देखो।
Anirudh is not joined to audio only.
Anirudh Tavergiri, you are there क्या? Anirudh Tavergiri, are you there?
He can't hear us. He can't hear us.
Can you switch on your video? Tavergiri, Anirudh.
He can't hear us.
Sir, Aniruddha Tawargiri is not joined with audio only.
Yes,
Okay, he is
sir.
not joined with audio, but he can hear the audio. Huh?
No, sir. Sir, he have not joined only by the audio, then how he can hear us?
Okay, okay, ठीक है.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, I can hear. Next, Silk
I
now.
cannot hear anyone's voice clearly.
See your network, bro. Network. Okay. Fourth is what? Silk. You know how it is obtained.
By silkworm.
Silk is obtained from silkworms. You know. Okay.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, Ayan, we can hear you.
Yes, yes.
I cannot hear anyone.
You can. Am I audible now? Anay?
He's mute and his video is off.
One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7. आनंद बसले बरोबर तुम्ही पण चालले का मीटिंग